So let's talk about some strength training basics. Whenever we do any movement, unless told otherwise, we want to make sure we're doing 4 things. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that we set up with good posture. What does that mean? Shoulders are down and back. We have a nice wide open chest. I like to call this the Superwoman chest. Our shoulder blades are squeezing together. We can imagine putting a pencil and then holding it there between our shoulder blades. Okay, shoulders are away from ears. Secondly, we want to make sure that we maintain a neutral spine. So that means that we're not sticking our butt out, our ribs aren't flaring, ribs are nice and closed, pelvis is just underneath, and there's just a little bit of an arch in our lower back, our natural arch. Third, we want to make sure that we're stacking our joints. What does that mean? Whenever we're in an overhead position, we want to make sure our wrist is over our shoulder. Whenever we're in a quadruped position or in a push-up position, we want to make sure that our wrists are underneath our shoulders. We want to make sure that our ankles are underneath our knees or underneath our hips. Okay, so stacking of joints is key. And lastly, we want to make sure that we're always bracing our core, okay? So the abs are always working and giving our body the support that's necessary to carry out the movements that we're doing. When we talk about our brace, what is that? So in some modalities, you'll hear instructors talking about pulling belly button into spine. That's actually not what we're looking for. I want you to imagine like somebody's about to punch you in the stomach, and the instinctive reaction of your body is to brace, which is to clench and slightly press out with your abs, giving you that stability and resistance to an incoming fist. So when I talk about bracing, I want you to create that sensation in your abdominal area.